Today's recipe is the delicious crispy egg fingers. Hello, my dear viewers, and welcome to Sohinis kitchen. So, today I am here with a delicious, tasty, quick, and easy recipe egg fingers. To make egg fingers, I have used 8 eggs. You can use less eggs if you want. Then, to this, I have added 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/3 cup finely chopped onions, half teaspoon finely chopped green chilies, and 1 teaspoon coriander leaves. Mix, but do not overbeat the mixture. Set it aside. Now take a container which is heat proof. I have taken this steel container and greased its sides and bottom, and then line the bottom with a parchment paper. Now we will steam this egg mixture in this container, and this parchment paper will help it come off the container easily. Pour some water in a pot. Now I have used a steamer, but if you don't have a steamer, place a support on top of the water and then place the container with the egg mixture on top. Cover the pot and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the egg mixture is completely steamed. Take it out and let it rest for some time. Now we will wait until the egg mixture has cooled down. Now when the eggs have completely cooled down, run a knife along the sides of the egg mixture, separating it from the pan. And then turn the pan onto a plate so that the eggs come out clean from the container. And you can see the clean top, that is because of the parchment paper. Now we will slice the steamed eggs into egg fingers. The egg fingers will look very much similar to the chicken fingers or the fish fingers. Now you can see the slices, they're so beautifully steamed. Now for the coating or the batter, I have used 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup corn flour, 1 tablespoon semolina flour or suji. With them, we will add 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon red chili powder or as per your taste, oregano seasoning 1 teaspoon, chaat masala 1 teaspoon, and dry roasted cumin seeds powder 1 teaspoon. Now mix all the ingredients together and set it aside. Now we will take 2 eggs, beat them well and add a tablespoon of milk with the eggs. Now also take some breadcrumbs. Now we will roll each of the egg fingers in the maida or the all-purpose flour mixture, and we will set them aside and let them rest. In this way, we will coat each of the egg fingers in the all-purpose flour mixture and then set them aside and let them rest. After some time, we will dip the egg fingers in the eggs and then in the breadcrumbs, then back in the eggs and back into the breadcrumbs. In this way, we are going to make a uniform coating over the egg fingers and then roll them, give them a shape like this. So you can see how beautiful they look now. We will fry them on medium to high flame. Place them on a plate lined with paper towel. The egg fingers should look like this. So beautiful, goldenish brown, beautifully fried, crispy, crunchy, yum. The egg fingers are ready. Garnish them with some spring onions and chaat masala on top and enjoy. Let me know how it turned out if you have tried this recipe in the comment section below. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.